next one for Babu is banana. Yes, Babu. And the next one, mango. And the next one, big watermelon. Flashcard is a useful medium to stimulate the right brain when they are flashed quickly in children. My suggestion to parents would be to make their own flashcards with different themes. It could be the way I have made fruits. You can make fruits, vegetables, animals, or vehicles. Okay, but my only suggestion would be the picture should be real, large, and colorful with no words. Also, only one picture on a page, and preferably you have a white background. Okay, now when children look at these flashcards, they are being flashed, and the one thing you should make sure that it should be flashed quickly. Okay, now what happens is when you do this, the right brain gets stimulated as they try to process the information by seeing the picture. And when children listen to the words, so when I say, when I show them the picture of watermelon, or when I flash the card of watermelon, they see the picture of the watermelon, and at the same time what happens is I say watermelon. Okay, so then they try to process the information, and when they listen to the words of the flashcard, the left brain, which is the linguistic brain, is being used to take in the word. Okay, so this is a complete brain development program for your kids, and I would suggest that you can start this for your kids as early as possible. The moment your child can sit, hold his neck, and able to see those cards, start using these flashcards. But they should be flashed very quickly, and do it when your child is really in a good mood.